Waiting for summer. See the snow is just coming down. There's a snowplow truck. Yes, sirree, winter in Ohio. But I love it. Won't have it any other way. Absolutely. Pretty though.